Hello, welcome to the channel for R programming and for the tutorials for beginning using R for data analysis. What are the tutorials all about? R is one of the most popular programming languages and framework for statistical computing and data science. The objective of these tutorials are to bring you up to start this comprehensive software as quickly as possible, such that you can apply it effectively to your own data. Who these tutorials are for? Anyone who tries to start programming in R at this her first time. Anyone may have heard but not programmed at all before. Anyone who have used other programming statistical packages in your working and want to learn to use R for your data analysis as quickly as possible. Basic knowledge of using your computer is a prerequisite. What do these tutorials cover? In Section 1, installation of R and RStudio, set up our working environment. Section 2, R data structure, import and create data objects. Section 3, basic data management methods, including type conversion, recording variables, date values, missing values, selecting and dropping variables, sorting, merging, subsetting variables. Section 4, advanced data management methods, mathematical and statistical functions, functions for string and character, control flow, writing your own functions, and reshaping and aggregating data sets, and basic descriptive statistics. Section 5 are graphics using ggplot2 package for plotting. Section 6 using dplyr package for data management. Each tutorial is combined with the PPT, slides, and real working examples in RStudio. And we use both built-in datasets in our framework and created new datasets. And all source code files can be downloaded, and the link can be found in the description of the video. Thank you and hope you will enjoy the course of beginning using R for data analysis.